To fix the landscape mode in Google Pixel 11 Pro, first of all, as you can see, my phone is in landscape, so let me rotate it so that we can actually see. And now we need to go into the settings on our phone. There might be two different ways to fix your problem, but I'm gonna show you the most prominent one. When you enter settings, your screen should return to normal, and let's turn it off for our home screen. So go into the apps section, select default apps, and then click on the gear icon next to the home app Pixel Launcher. Scroll all the way down and then deactivate landscape mode, which should fix your issue. If it didn't, then you can swipe from the top right corner of the screen, swipe down again, and then in those quick access icons, look for this specific icon. You can turn it off. This is auto rotation, which makes your phone rotate whenever it detects that your face is looking from a different angle. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.